So comfort zones aren't bad, hindi po masama yan. Ang masama lang dyan, our comfort zone can become our prison. Minsan nakakulong tayo dyan eh. Nakasanayan na eh. Okay nang gawin. Ginagawa naman ng iba eh. Gawin ko na lang din. Illegal practices. Gawin ko naman. Total, nagtatice naman ako. Ginawang excuse. Yung tithing. Sometimes following God requires uncomfortable obedience. Kailangan natin ma-detach dun sa ating old identity. To follow God fully, we must willing to step out of our comfort zone. Yung ating routine. Yung daily routine mo na ginagawa, na tingin mo tama. Growth never happens, mga kapatid. Yung paglago, hindi mangyayari yan. Kapag ka feeling mo, nandun ka lang doon, nakasettle ka lang doon sa nakasanayan mo na.